After the Grok betrayal, creating massive long AI videos for completely free has literally become impossible. And honestly, as you know, most AI YouTube channels fail so hard because they just start pumping out absolute garbage. The YouTube algorithm looks at it, smells the AI slop, and buries it so deep into the ground that no one ever sees it. But today, we are officially fighting back. I have developed a brand new workflow that completely automates the production of massive long videos. We are going to generate a complete cinematic masterpiece with absolutely flawless character consistency across every single frame, and we are doing it using tools that are free, and free means free. The absolute best part, this entire workflow operates on complete, full automation. So, no more manual grinding and absolutely zero subscription fees. I'm going to show you my exact blueprint to use these powerful free tools together so they do all the heavy lifting for you. Also, if you stick with me until the very end of this video, I am dropping a massive bonus tool to handle your absolute highest motion scenes perfectly. Make absolutely sure you watch every single second of this step-by-step guide, because if you miss one single automation setting, your entire project will completely break. So, let us dive in. First things first, let us navigate directly to our computer screen. Here, our primary massive task is to completely generate the core story and the structured timeline. For this specific task, I am utilizing Google Gemini because it is incredibly smart and completely free. Following that, we have a master prompts file, which you will easily find located securely in the video description below. You absolutely need to copy the very first master prompt from this document and paste it directly into Gemini or your preferred text generation tool. I have highly detailed the specific duration and the cinematic style of the story required, which you can very easily customize and alter to fit your exact personal preference. As soon as I press enter, the artificial intelligence goes to work and our cinematic story is instantly generated and perfectly ready. With our core story completely ready to go, the very next step is to generate the highly detailed visuals and images for it. For that specific process, I will return directly to our master prompts file. The second prompt located here is officially designated as our visual generation prompt. I will carefully copy this prompt, return straight to Gemini, and paste it right into the chat box. Once pasted, I will press enter. I have explicitly instructed the AI to provide at least 18 unique visual prompts, but you can completely customize this specific quantity to match your exact video length needs. It has now successfully provided all the highly detailed image and visual prompts for us in perfect chronological order. Search for Google Flow. Here, just create a new account by signing up. Now just create a new project and you can start creating images, but we might encounter a massive issue regarding character consistency. These initial basic prompts absolutely will not ensure flawless character consistency on their own. Therefore, we must return to the master prompts file, copy the third specific prompt, and paste it directly into Gemini. Upon pasting and pressing enter, you will clearly see that Gemini has seamlessly provided highly detailed text to image prompts specifically designed to generate our main anchor characters. I will now carefully copy the exact prompt for these main characters, return straight to the Flow interface, expertly adjust my desired visual aspect ratio to 16:9 for standard YouTube formatting, paste the character prompt, and press enter. While that is successfully generating in the cloud, I will return to Gemini, copy the very next character prompt, head back to Flow, paste it, and press enter again. Now, as you can clearly see on the screen, our highly detailed character images are fully generated and perfectly ready. You can carefully review them and download the exact ones you find the most visually impressive to strictly utilize later as your master reference images. I have securely downloaded the 2 character images I preferred the most. Next, open a brand new tab and strictly search for the Google Chrome Web Store. Open the official store and meticulously search for the Autoflow extension. Open the very first official extension that appears and instantly add it directly to your browser. Since I have already successfully added it previously, as you can clearly see at the top of my browser bar, you will just need to add it and then immediately return to the main Flow website. Now, officially open the newly installed extension. This is exactly what its developer interface looks like. If it is your absolute first time opening it, the default language might be slightly different. If so, simply navigate to the settings gear at the top, perfectly change the language to English, and proceed to this version. Now, carefully looking at the main interface, there are a few highly critical settings to perfectly configure. Before copying your visual prompts, you can explicitly select your desired aspect ratio and the exact image batch size, also the model, but I will keep the default settings. Now, add the character's images here and paste all your prompts here. Now, this point is crucial here. You want to map the respective characters to the prompts, like if in this prompt only one character is used, only map this and do this accordingly to all of the prompts. Once the configuration is finished, just hit generate, and in a moment, it will start generating your images. And the best part is that as the auto download is on, so all the images are directly downloaded in your system. But if you want, you can turn that off and just download the selected from the gallery, and you can even upscale the images if you want. I will open them sequentially right now to perfectly demonstrate that every single generated image maintains absolutely perfect character consistency. You can visibly verify the excellent cinematic quality across absolutely all generated visuals. Every single image strictly adheres to the original character designs without any structural issues or weird mutations, making them absolutely perfect for our YouTube project. The subsequent massive step is to bring these static images to life and completely animate them. I will open a new secure tab and navigate directly to Meta Artificial Intelligence. We will strictly utilize Meta to beautifully animate our visual assets. You will need to securely create a free account or simply log in with your existing Facebook credentials. Next, copy the final master prompt from our text file and paste it directly into Gemini. Additionally, I will provide a completely separate file in the description strictly containing highly detailed camera movements. Simply upload that specific document right here alongside the text prompt and submit it. Gemini will deeply analyze the complex camera movements document and, based entirely on that data, flawlessly provide the precise animation prompts required to perfectly animate our static images. Return once again to the Chrome Web Store and meticulously search for the Meta Automation extension. Add the top official extension directly to your browser, exactly just as we successfully did previously. Return straight to the official Meta website and officially open this newly added automation extension. Within the developer interface, first specifically select the frame to video option as we are strictly animating existing static images. Click the upload button to mass import. As you can clearly see, absolutely all the images we need to beautifully animate have been successfully uploaded into the Meta Automation extension. Return to Gemini, copy the clean animation prompts one last time and meticulously paste them into the prompt box completely within the extension. As you slowly scroll down the interface, you will clearly notice it has automatically and perfectly paired each uploaded static image with its exact corresponding animation prompt. Carefully review absolutely everything to ensure highly accurate pairing and completely prevent any potential rendering issues. This specific automation extension will only actively function while the Meta website is visually active on your computer screen. Verify your settings and immediately click Run. The automated system begins operating immediately. It perfectly automatically inputs the image, meticulously types the exact animation prompt, and effortlessly initiates the rendering animation process. Allow me to highly highlight a key point right now. Absolutely everything I have demonstrated and will continue to deeply demonstrate is completely free and completely unlimited. This specific process utilizes full automation, drastically reducing your manual grinding effort. This is the true incredible power of free and unlimited automation, and you can legally leverage it to its absolute maximum potential. Our very first animated video clip is now completely finished, and you will clearly notice it has automatically downloaded safely to our computer system. The automated process continues seamlessly. The very next image is automatically loaded, its corresponding text animation prompt is expertly entered, and the video generation begins automatically. I will fast forward the video once again to save you time. You should thoroughly review absolutely all of the generated video clips. If any single video does not process correctly or perfectly meet your high cinematic standards, you can simply regenerate that specific clip for completely free. Absolutely all of our masterpieces have automatically downloaded. Moving forward, search for Google Artificial Intelligence Studio and open it. I will close the previous extension and completely open Google Studio. Here you will find the highly advanced text to speech and music option. Open that specific section and carefully select the Gemini 2.5 Pro voice model. Ensure you strictly select the single speaker audio mode, paste the initial instruction prompt at the very top, and then carefully paste the full text of the story we generated right below it for the professional voiceover. Once the entire story is pasted, you can easily preview and select the exact voice character that perfectly suits your specific narrative tone. I will select this specific dramatic voice and click Run to perfectly generate the audio track. Our highly professional studio quality voiceover is completely ready, and I will proceed to securely download the audio file directly to my computer. Our final absolute requirement is emotional cinematic background music. Return straight to Gemini and provide a highly descriptive prompt, asking it to perfectly generate background music that flawlessly syncs with the emotional arc of our cinematic story. Gemini features a newly integrated, completely free music creation tool, which is absolutely excellent. It will automatically generate a perfectly corresponding music track completely for free. I find this specific result highly impressive, so I will immediately download it as a high-quality audio file. Now you possess absolutely all the premium assets. Just use CapCut to assemble your massive long-form YouTube video. Now, exactly as I promised you at the very beginning, here is your massive, completely free bonus tool. If your specific cinematic story happens to have a few highly intense scenes with way too much complex motion, and the automated tools are slightly struggling to perfectly capture the physics, you absolutely need to use Google Vids. Simply open a brand new browser tab and search for Google Vids. This is an incredibly powerful, completely official platform provided by Google that gives you direct access to the absolute highest quality VO 3.1 video generation model. It handles incredibly complex high-action prompts far better than almost anything else on the market. The absolute best part is that by simply logging in with your standard email account, Google legally provides you with 10 to 12 completely free daily creations. You can utilize this incredibly generous daily limit to manually generate those super difficult, high-motion cinematic shots to perfectly plug into your automated timeline. It acts as the ultimate safety net to ensure your massive YouTube project looks like a true million-dollar Hollywood masterpiece without you ever spending a single penny. So that is the exact fully automated blueprint. If you genuinely appreciate this completely free masterclass, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the void.